to the Eaton family Thunderdrome. Hello, Toby.
Hello.
What is it?
Supercars.
Season 7, Meet 2. The Meet 1 Championship re-race. Lane 1, we have the defending grand champion, Toby's Lamborghini Veneno. Lane 2, we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. I still think it sounds like something from Harry Potter. Lane 3, we have the Lamborghini Aventador J. Lane 5, we have American Muscle, the Dodge Charger Drift. And lane 5, the surprise Meet 1 champion, is the Jaguar XCSV Project 8. This is a highly experienced field. 86 career wins between the three of them. The Veneno is favourite, although the Jaguar could pull another upset out. Who do you think's going to win?
I'm going for lane 2.
Lane 2. Let's see who the first car into the championship race is. Good race for the Aventador and Veneno off pace. Sesto leads, the drift coming in second. It's going to be Sesto Elemento wins. And last meet's champion, Jaguar, comes in last. Race 2, and there's a big drop in experience. 35 career wins between the 5 of them. However, if you take out the Shelby, you have 7. Yeah, he has the lion's share of 28 career wins. In lane 1, we have Toby's 2015 Jaguar Project 7 convertible. Finished 15th, and he was lucky to stay in Supercars. 3 career wins. Lane 2, we have the rookie. He did well in exotics. It's a 2017 Acura NSX. Lane 3, second season of Supercars. We have the Lotus Esprit, Toby's. He finished 6th, a very credible 6th last season. With 4 career wins, he'd like to make that number 5 today. It's a good chance too. He's the favourite. Lane 4, we have another rookie, the Lamborghini Sian. Very beautiful car. He also did well in exotics. Let's see how he fares with the big boys. And lane 5, the 2-time former grand champion. Oh, he struggled last season with a 12th. A 12th. Wow. Who would think the Shelby would run 12th? Well, Toby, who do you think's going to win?
I'm going for lane 4.
4. Lotus and Shelby are nose to nose. Acura's roaring up in lane 2 as Jaguar's coming up with him. It's the Acura NSX winning his first race. Well done to the rookie. A good win. Race 3. In lane 1, we have the Lamborghini Gallardo. Still sitting on 4 career wins, looking for that number 5. He finished 14th last year. Lucky to stay in. Lane 2, we have the returning Corvette C6R. He finished his last stint with 9 career wins. Now he's desperate to get that 10th to go into double figures. Didn't start off too well last week though. He came last. Lane 3, we have a former grand champion. Is the Aston Martin 177. 12 career wins. Finished 10th last season. In lane 4, from Street Race Outlaws, we have a rookie in Supercars, the Dodge Viper SRT. He came 2nd last meet, so he's looking pretty good. And he would actually be the race favourite. In lane 5, we have the 2020 Corvette. 8 career wins, finished 11th last season. Who's winning, Toby?
I'm going for lane 4.
Lane 4. Pressure's on. Can he do it? Great race, it's a straight line. Gallardo's popped his nose ahead in lane 1. He's coming up as the Viper. Whoa, that was close. That was a great race, but Gallardo wins the race. Race 4, and it's a good one. 54 career wins between these 5, and we do have a rookie in there. In lane 1, we have the Koenigsegg Gemera. 2 career wins, came 13th last year. Lane 2, we have the returning McLaren P1. 4 career wins. Last meet, he came last, so it's not a very inspiring start to his second stint. Lane 3, we have the rookie. He is a convertibles champion. He came last also, so it's a big step up, and he couldn't quite make it. Lane 4, we have the Aston Martin Vantage. 26 career wins, former grand champion, came 4th last season. He is the race favourite. Lane 5, we have the veteran Lamborghini Veneno. 22 career wins, he finished 8th last season. Tobias, where's Tobias gone? Who's going to win?
I'm going for lane 4.
Lane 4. So he's just the back first. He's off and running. Veneno's going with him on his right hand side. Gemera coming out fast in lane 1, but the Vantage has a great win. He has had too much speed. Well done. Race 5, and the experience level plummets to the floor. 15 career wins between these 5. Hell, you take out the Super Trofeo, and it goes down to just 1. Yes, we've got a couple of rookies, a second year, and a return. In lane 1, we have the returning McLaren Speedtail. He did nothing in his first stint, and he's done nothing in his second stint so far, except for running last. Lane 2, we have a former convertibles and exotics champion. We have the Dodge Viper convertible. He ran second last meet, and he has race favoritism. Lane 3, we have the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. 14 career wins, finished 8th last season. But last meet, he finished 4th. Disappointing. Lane 4, we have the rookie, the Aston Martin Speedster V12. Not a very inspiring start. He came 4th last meet. And lane 5, we have the Lotus Elise. In his second year, he only just made his second year, finishing 15th. He too came second, so maybe he has equal favoritism with the Dodge Viper convertible. Who do you think's going to win, Toby?
Picolito. I'm going for lane 3.
Lane 3. He wants the veteran to win. These Lotus head-to-head on the inside. Viper and 2 coming up fast as is the Huracan. The Huracan up the middle at the death. He put his nose in the lead. That was a great win. Welcome to the championship race. Meet 2, Season 7 of Supercars. We've got some experience here. We do have 1 rookie, but between the other 4 cars, there's 65 career wins and 16 championships. This is a high-quality championship race. In lane 1, we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. 5 championships to his credit. He was in last meet's championship and came 3rd. Lane 2, we have the rookie, the 2017 Acura NSX. All the way from Japan, land of the rising sun. His first championship race. Lane 3, we have Lamborghini Gallardo. He finally racked up 5 career wins. He has 2 championships to his name. Lane 4, we have the race favorite, the Aston Martin Vantage. 9 championships to his name and looking to go number 10 today to get that grand championship back. In lane 5, he's been here now 15 times, the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo, and he has never won a championship. Can he break the drought? Can he, Toby?
Yes, I think game 4 and say hello to Mummy.
Lane 4. Let's see when's going to win meet 2. James leads, Huracan sits in second. The Sesto's coming up fast in lane 1, but the Vantage is off now. He's the Vantage. He's back to the winner's circle. His 10th championship.